So in this video, we're just going to examine a couple of the templates that are available in Excel that you can use for basic project planning. Rather than starting from scratch, why not use the templates already available to you? So just let's have a look at a couple of the templates that Excel has embedded in it. So when you go to File and New, you can see here there are two available. If you can't find them, just search for project templates or Gantt charts. That's G-N, that's G-A-N-T-T. Let's have a look at this one first. This gives you a simple Gantt chart. It's available as part of your Excel. And what it does is it enables you to map projects out in a very simplistic way. It's obviously not got the detail behind it that Microsoft Project has. But if all you want to do is to put together a simple project plan, then this could be suitable for you. If I'm going to present this, I'm going to remove all of that. Thank you very much to the company that provided it. And you may want to embed your logo in here. So you can see that you can actually place a particular image in a cell. That means it just doesn't sit and move around. I've got that image nicely in that cell there. So the company name, so I'm going to put in here. And in here, I'm just going to put my name. So you can tidy this up, of course. That is showing today. Now, what that does is not the beginning of the project because it's obviously not project software. It's just highlighting today from here. And which week it is changing where I'm looking at it. Because what you may want to do is obviously increase the number of weeks in here. You might want to drag that across, for example, and you can see that what that does is it's actually looking at a formula, and we can bring that across so it's looking at a week at a time. So I can drag that in if I want it to go over another week. And just simply using the formula in here, this is actually calculating things for me, like the day of the week. And what it does do is it's saying if you want to have any extra rows, to add it above that to keep it within the range. So it's all been pre-thought out. If you look here, it's just got the heading. So I'm just going to put phase 1. And in here, I put my tasks. You can put the name, unlike project or something like that. It's not linking it to the person, but I am typing in people's names. And this is all zero when you start. It's just showing you what you'll need to do, because obviously when you start your program, you are going to want to start it and then show progress later. And what I'm just going to do here is I am just going to format the date for me and just make that a little bit longer so that I can see the dates a lot clearer. And you can see in here, if I change that to the 20th of May, that's actually increasing the duration of that task. And that is therefore overlapping, and I'm going to do that to the 25th of May. So what it will do there, this one here says it is starting at F10. So it's starting on that day, which is why things are moving in here. And this is saying +4, this is saying +5, this is saying +2. Realistically, you probably want to add in a duration column. And unless you want them to link, then you might want to. So the duration of that is, maybe I'm going to say that's 7 days, and that is 5 days, that is 3 days, that is 4 days, that is 5 days. If you want to start getting involved in working days and non-working days, there are formulas to deal with that, or you could use Microsoft Project. So just looking at tidying this up a bit, that's the start date of the whole project. That is the end date. So I could say that plus that and actually change it there. And therefore it's starting on that date and it's adding the duration. Now, do I want my next one to automatically cascade from there? If you don't, you can manually type that in, and then you can then again take this and copy it down. So it's literally looking at that date and adding the duration. So have a look at what's available in Excel and remember to make it work for you. Just a quick way of creating project plans. See you next time.